So class, your next question is list the following sets in set builder form. Class, it's very important topic, set builder form. How you write your any set in set builder form. So it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So I told you for set builder form you have to write the name of the set first, A is your set, and your answer is always X. Now what is X? So for such that you have two options, either you use this symbol or either you use the bar. So both are correct. So I use in this time this symbol. What do you understand by this set? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Are they all even numbers? No. Are they all are odd numbers? No. But you can see 2, 3, 5, 7, they all are prime numbers. So what is the meaning of X? A is equal to X, where X is a prime number, but it's not endless class. There is a specific boundation here. It is 19. So prime number less than 20. So this is your answer. Here also you can write the same thing. X is a prime number less than 20. So you can write any statement, either you use this one or either you use this one, A is equal to. Both the statements are correct. Now class, your second question is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. You all know class, these all are odd numbers. You can see start from 3 and till 25. These all are odd numbers. So class, remember this, it's very important. For even number you use 2n, and for odd number you use 2n plus 1. What is the meaning of 2n and 2n plus 1? If you put class n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or here also n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe so many numbers according to the questions. So put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on according to question. So class, if I am talking about even numbers, so if I am talking about 2n, if I put n equal to 1, the meaning is 2 into 1, 2. N equal to 2, 2 2 ja 4. N equal to 3, you can see 1, 2, 3. These are the value of n. So you can see when I put n equal to 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2n gave you the 2, 4, 6, which all are even number. But if I am talking about 2n plus 1, if I put n equal to 1, so 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, 3. N equal to 2, put n equal to 2, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1, 5. So you can see this formula gave you the odd numbers and this formula gave you even numbers. So remember these two formulas. Understand? So here class, you can see all are odd numbers. Your answer is, suppose A is equal to X, where X is equal to 2n plus 1. But class, you have to stop this set in 25. So for that you have to make another statement. So class, one thing which is very important, your n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By putting these numbers you can get your answer. So what do you understand by this? N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you all know these all are the natural number. It means your n is the element of natural number, because you are taking n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. So these all are taking from natural numbers. These all are natural numbers, so it means n is also the natural number. You all know the meaning of element. Understand? But class, one thing which is very important, you have to fulfill the condition also. Your answer should be start with 23 until 25. So it means you have to put n equal to, now your answer is 2n plus 1, but you have to put n equal to 1, then your answer is 3, 2, 2 2 ja 4 plus 1, 5. If you put 3, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1, 7, If you put 4, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9. If you put 5, n equal to 5, 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11. If you put 6, then answer is 6 to the 12 plus 1, 13. 7, 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15. 8, 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17. 9 to the 18 plus 1, 10 to the 11 to the and class 11 to the 22 plus 1, 23. 12, 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25. It means n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 till 12. It means class your n is element of n, but now for fulfill this condition n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 12, we have to write your n is greater than and equal to 1, because n is greater than 1 and equal to 1 also, and your n is less than 12. You know, here your n is greater than 1 and here your n is less than 12. So first we just write n is greater than 1 and less than 12. But you can see class, n is also equal to 1 and also equal to 12. So this is how you write your condition. Your answer is a is equal to x such that x equal to 2n plus 1, where you use your n, that is the element of natural number, and it's obvious class, your n is always the element of natural number. And after this, for fulfill the boundation, this is very important statement, n is greater and equal to 1 and less than and equal to 12. Class, your next question is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Class, you can see this is actually the square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5, square of 6, square of 7 and square of 8. So suppose your set is A, then your answer is x, where x is the square of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You all know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the natural number. You all know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the natural number. So we can say 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, that is the meaning of n square. So we can put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and we can get our answer. If we put n equal to 1, then our answer is 1. If we put n equal to 2, our answer is 4. So our answer is n square, but you all know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I told you earlier also, small n is always the element of natural number, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the natural number. For boundation of this set, we have to mention some other things, otherwise it's not clarified that where we stop. So where we stop, for that we have to mention some other thing also. So your n is less than, start with, and your n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 8 also, and n is less than 8 also class. So equal to and less than 8 also. So you can see your natural number start with 1. So n is less than 8 and equal to 8 also. And here also you can mention here class, that is 1, it is greater than 1 and equal to 1 also. So this condition is fulfilled now, the boundation of set. So class, you all know your natural number, your n is always start with 1. So either you want to write it or don't want to write it, it's up to you. If you write it, that is correct. If you don't want to write it, that is also correct. Class, your next question is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. You all know it's even number, so your answer is x, where x is equal to 2n, because this is a formula for even number, and you all know n is the element of natural number, but this n is less than and equal to 6. Understand? So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. You all know class, there is no need to write this is equal to and greater than 1, because it's obvious. It's obvious that n is always start with 1 and which is equal to 1 and greater than 1. So either you can write it or don't want to write it. There is no big difference. So class, this is the next question. So your answer is x, where x is, so class, what property you can see here? January, March, May, July, August, October and December, they all contain 31 days. So it's very simple. X is a month having 31 days. Class, next question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Class, is this a even number series? No. Is it odd number series? No. It's not a square also. So what do you think? What is this? You can see class, these all numbers are the factors of 36, which is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. All are the factor of 36. So your answer is x, where x is a factor of 36.